The strong home, the happiness, the tranquility starts by the choice. Who do you choose? Who do you choose to your son, to your daughter, or the son, the man? Who do you go and look for? And who do you go and look for? And who do you say to? And Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam absolutely explained it to us. The woman and the man. And he said, إِذَا خَطَبَ إِلَيْكُمْ من ترضون دينه وخلقه فزوجوه وإلا تفعلوا تكن فتنة في الأرض وفساد كبير. If came to the marriage, came to ask marriage of your daughter, whom you are pleased with two things, his religion and his manners, say yes. Religion and manners, say yes. Otherwise, there's going to be a lot of trials, a lot of tribulations. And this hadith always makes me think, isn't deen enough? Isn't religion is enough? Because a lot of us come and says, well, there's a lot of people who they say they are religious, or we see they are religious, but then when it comes, see their manners. And that's why he put this together. Because sometimes proper religion is proper manner, but everybody has their shortcomings. So we need to look at religion, meaning fear of Allah, taqwa of Allah, the obligations are done, she or he. But here the hadith is about he. And his manners, فَزَوِّجُوهُ, give him. And what about the woman? What? And he said in another hadith, تُخْطَبُ الْمَرْأَ لِأَرْبَعٍ. The woman is asked for marriage for 4 reasons: her beauty, her wealth, her family or her lineage, and her religion. This is 4 reasons. She's pretty, I like her, she has money, could be both or one, and family or religion. 4. And he said, عَلَيْكَ بِذَاتِ الدِّينِ تَرَبَتْ يَدَاكَ. Choose the woman of the religion. Because if I have a man who is religion and manners, and the woman has religion, meaning religion means what? Means connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I have Allah in my life. My decision based upon what Allah say. My not doing something based on what Allah told me not to do. The building, the house is strong. So starts with a choice.